Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are talking about tags. What are tags? Tags are the keywords, the key ingredients in search on YouTube. How it works, how we add tags to the videos we want, and how tags are used. So practically, tags are the words you use to search on YouTube search bar, and these tags shows you the lineup of the videos you're looking for. So let's see how it works. So first we see what are YouTube tags. So we have to open YouTube, write down whatever you want. For example, are you looking something for like flowers? So you see all those videos wherever it mentions about flowers, wherever any word is mentioned about flowers, those videos will come uh, in your research. And this is all happened because of tags, because someone put in their video tags about flowers, and then you see the result. So what we have to do to use tags is to go to YouTube Studio. So here we go. This is my channel. So let's open one of my videos by clicking here on the editor. So down here you see tags, category, comments, and more. So you click on it, and then you see I put some tags here. So let's make more tags here. You can write whatever you want, whatever you need, whatever you want in the video. What are you talking about? Let the people know. So you write what any word, like this video is about ads. So to stopping ads, so I can write like stop ads. Yeah, this is the way. And then you see I have created this tag. Whenever someone is going to write in the search bar in YouTube stop ads, my video will surely come up, and they can see, and they can give a look to the video, and you will see, you will increase your views and even your subscribers. So it's very easy. Let's make one more. YouTube ads, and then you just press enter, and it's done, it's created. So you go back, then you save it. You have to save it. If not, you are not going to have the proper tags for your videos. So as you see, that's all.